Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, everyone. Introducing myself, my name is Alvina Deviani. You can call me Alvina from Dandelion class. In here, I will presentation about menopause. Introduction. The transition from reproductive to non-reproductive. The word menopause literally means the end of monthly cycles, from the Greek word pausis, cessation, and the root meant month. Menopause is an unavoidable change that every woman will experience. The death of menopause in human females is formally medically defined as the time of last menstrual period. Definition. Menopause means permanent cessation of menstruation at the end of reproductive life due to loss of ovarian follicular activity. It is the point of time when last and final menstruation occur. Menopause is the permanent cessation of the primary functions of the human ovaries. Age of menopause. Age is genetically predetermined. Cigarette smoking and severe malnutrition may cause early menopause. The age of menopause, 45 until 55 years, average 15. Phases of menopause. The process of menopause is usually broken down in 4 categories. 1. Premenopause. The broad definition of premenopause is the time prior to menopause, the occurrence of menopause before the age of 14 years. 2. Perimenopause, a period of woman's life characterized by the physiological change associated with the end terminating with the completion of menopause, also called climacteric. 3. Menopausal phase. It is the end of menstruation. The age of menopause ranges between 45 until 55 years, average being 15 years. 4. Postmenopausal. It is defined formally as the time after which a woman has experienced 12 consecutive months of amenorrhea without period. Incidence. Physiologic menopause. The normal decline in ovarian function due to aging begins in most women between age 45 and 55, on average 51, and result in infrequent ovulation, decreased menstrual function, and eventually cessation of menstruation. Pathologic menopause. The gradual of abrupt cessation of menstruation before 14 years occur idiopathically in about 5% of women in USA. Etiological factor, nature decline of reproductive hormone, hysterectomy, chemotherapy and radiation therapy, primary ovarian insufficiency, removal of the ovary. Causes of menopause. Menopause occurs when the ovaries are totally depleted of egg and no amount of stimulation from the regulating hormones can free them to work. Physiological change. The lack of estrogen and progesterone cause many changes in women's psychology that affect their health and well-being. The symptoms of menopause due to change in the metabolism of the body. increased cholesterol level in the blood. Hyperlipidemia, or an increase in the level of cholesterol and lipids in the blood, is common. This led to gradual rise in the risk of heart disease and stroke after menopause. Osteoporosis. Calcium loss from the bone is increased in the first 5 years after the onset of menopause, resulting in the loss of bone density. The calcium moved out of the bones, leaving them weak and liable to fracture at the small stress. Digestive system. Motor activity of the entire digestive tract is diminished after menopause. The intestine tend to be sluggish, result in constipation. Urinary system. As the estrogen level decreases after menopause, the tissue lining the urethra and the bladder become drier, thinner, and less elastic. This can lead to increased frequency of passing urine as well as an increased tendency to develop UTI. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.